5 little ducklings went out to play over the hilltops far away. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back," but only 4 ducklings waddled back. 4 little ducklings splashed around over the hilltops, up and down. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back," but only 3 ducklings could be found. 3 little ducklings played by the stream, chasing ripples in a dream. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back," but only 2 came paddling back. 2 little ducklings went to explore, past the pond and near the shore. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back," but only 1 came through the door. 1 little duckling felt alone, missing friends and far from home. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back." Then 5 ducklings came running back.